Hi, this is Emily of Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here for a stamping video. The new collaboration name is Stamp With Us. This is formerly known as Stamp Play and Stamping Sunday. I will link to host channels down in the description, Susan's Heartstrings and Thelma Hall. My channel mascots, Sir Scraps-a-Lot and his sidekick, Pixie Parchment, want to show you the cards we created last week. I had this stamp set from Unity Stamps. I have Fussy cut the image. I used card backgrounds created with hand-cut snowflakes. Added stickles and snowflake punches to the background. They're all blank except for one, and I'll show you that. On the inside, I used this silver foiled paper and punched a border. Added a sticker strip. All of them have a sticker strip like this, and they came from the Grabie Holiday Magic Collage book. I love this book, and I've been using it constantly. It's just chock full of fun things. If you're interested in seeing more about this book and how to save 20%, check out the video linked here for a complete flip through. Each card is a little unique and different. On the back, rather than a signature stamp, I used a snowflake that I punched out of the Grabie book, so I still need to go in and sign the back of the card. I really like how these strips turned out, especially after I added the sticker strip. This one, I put the sentiment on the inside rather than the front. And then there's the snowflake for signing. I'll set these aside. Today I want to stamp some labels for my cards. This is for Deck the Year. I'll be altering this deck of playing cards from M&M's World in Las Vegas. So I like to always label the cards and put a date on them. So I need to stamp some of these labels. I love this set of labels for artist trading cards and altered playing cards because there's just such a nice variety that you can choose from. They fit nicely on the back of the cards. If you would like to check this out, I got mine on Amazon and I'll link to it down in the description. We'll do circles first. I'll go back and put the rectangles in the space that's left over. I always stamp on a pad. I still haven't found my phone book. My phone book is my preferred, but I lost it. I misplaced it. It's around here somewhere. think I forgot to mention Deck the Year is hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations, and I will link to her channel down in the description as well. Now there's a little bit of room left here, and there are a couple smaller labels on this stamp sheet, so we will do some of those too. Those would be good for adding dates to journal pages, or a little spot on a scrapbook page to add a date or a detail. Cute, right? Let me know if you have any questions. I always love to hear from you. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting. those inky fingers. If you're still watching, let me know what you've been working on while you're watching this. Hopefully you've been paper crafting. If you haven't, go get some paper and start creating.